we are passengers on a sphere circling around a vast universe. And somehow we managed to divide it by barriers called borders. What need led us to deprive ourselves from all the beauty, freedom, and unlimited possibilities? At which point we decided that we are owners of a creation that we did not even make? When do we stop being humane and become hunters? When do we stop being humans and become birds?
Speech, expression. Language separates human from the animals. But there comes a point that animals can comprehend much better the meaning of.
Σ' αγαπώ.
Szacunek.
Uključenost.
Pomognete mi. Marš.
Усмішка.
Home is where our days start. Home is like a body part. Home is where there's one to love. Home is warm just like a glove. Home is special, home is safe. Like yourself you can behave. Home is where we keep our stuff. Where we go when things get rough. Home is sacred, home is hug. Personal like a coffee mug. Home is where we sleep in peace. Home is from our souls at peace.
We're thin, our body. Smell little cells attached. Working, coordinating, breathing, living.
Flesh, bones, blood, a unique painting, a story.
See my wounds, see my scars. Red on me, my storms, my loves.
Treat me well, I'll treat you better.
Lick my blood and dry my tears.
Caress my dreams and not my fears.
Dear Mom, I am writing to tell you so many things. I am safe here. There are no bombs. But here there is not your food either. There are no gunshots, but you know, they don't celebrate like we do. Mom, they dress weirdly, and when I go out on the streets, they look at my clothes and laugh, like I'm a clown. Mom, do you remember every morning you woke me up with our favorite radio station? Here, I turn on the radio and I don't understand the lyrics, not even the rhythms. Mommy, I miss the smell of the soap you were using on my clothes. I miss our favorite spot up in the hill where we could see all our city from above. I miss our market. Here they only have McDonald's and Starbucks. I miss my bed sheets with the yellow flowers. I miss the pigeons in our square. I miss... Mommy, I want to tell you a secret. I cannot say to anyone else. I like a boy. I think he is sweet, but we cannot speak. I can't tell him my feelings. I just look at him from far. His friends have noticed and they laugh at me. I know his family will not approve of me. Mommy, all I need is just to love and be loved in return. Empty hug. Your daughter.